So I'm sitting here playing Midnight Club and shit, listening to these little kids talking, race and shit. Then I get to thinking, and I was wondering, you know how they got Keep Away and shit? You know how in Black Ops 2 they did the Team Zombie Up shit? So I'm sitting here thinking, like, shit, if they make a Midnight Club 5 and shit, they should do a Team Keep Away. Now that shit would be fun. They got Team Capture the Flag, like split base capture flag, but nah, fuck that. We talk about Team Keep Away. Now that shit would be fun. Cause when you play it nowadays and niggas be losing, they ain't get the flag, they quit out, they leave the lobby, they do all types of shit. They send you a message talking about you a modder, all types of shit. But fuck that. That's what they should do in Midnight Club 5 if they even make one. I don't know if they are making one. I hope they do, cause I love Midnight Club. Favorite one was Midnight Club Dub Edition Remix. Man, I had so much fun with that game. But right now I'm on Midnight Club LA because it's the most recent one. You feel me? But yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. And what other game modes would you like to see in Midnight Club 5 if they make them? Or if they make it. Project Ace, like, subscribe, outie.